Welcome to a deep dive into the fascinating world of integration projects and their essential components. One such component, which we will focus on today, is the filter mediator in WSO2 Micro Integrator. To set the stage, imagine an integration project as a busy intersection in a city, with messages being the vehicles. Just as traffic lights control the flow of vehicles based on certain rules, the filter mediator controls the flow of messages based on certain conditions. This process is called filtering, and it's a vital part of ensuring that the right messages get to the right places at the right time. Now, let's turn our attention to WSO2 Micro Integrator, a lightweight, container-native, and open-source integration framework. Within this framework, the filter mediator plays a key role. Think of it as a traffic officer, directing messages based on the conditions you set. It uses XPath, JSON path, or regular expressions to evaluate these conditions and route messages accordingly. Moving forward, imagine setting up a new integration project. You would first create your project in the WSO2 Micro Integrator. Next, you would add a sample API or service, your playground for demonstrating the filter module. With your playground set, it's time to add a filter mediator to your integration flow. This is where you define the conditions for filtering. These conditions could be anything from the content of the messages to the time they arrive. This flexibility allows you to tailor the flow of messages to your specific needs. Once your conditions are set, the real fun begins: testing. You send sample messages through your integration flow and observe how the filter mediator routes or filters them based on your defined conditions. It's a satisfying process, watching your carefully set rules in action, but as with any tool, there are best practices for using the filter module effectively. For instance, keeping your conditions as simple as possible can improve performance. And remember, the filter mediator doesn't just route messages, it can also transform them, adding another layer of versatility to your integration projects. In conclusion, the filter mediator in WSO2 Micro Integrator is an incredibly powerful tool. It allows you to control the flow of messages within your integration projects, ensuring that the right information gets to the right places. Its flexibility and versatility make it a must-have in any integration developer's toolkit. So don't just take our word for it. Dive in, experiment, and see what you can achieve with the filter module in your own integration projects. The possibilities are truly limitless.